Lacosta, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So in today's video, you guys, in today's video, you guys, I am going to be doing an unboxing of a wig that I bought, you guys. Yeah, my channel is normally a natural hair channel, but it has to do with hair. When we're not feeling our hair, we can throw on a wig. So I bought this wig for Thanksgiving, so I want to see if I can turn it into a headband wig. So if you want to see the deets on this wig, then just keep watching. Okay?
Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle.
So this is the wig that I ordered. It is a Janet Collection wig. It is called the Julia, and it is in 1B. They say it is an extended part lace base deep part wig, 100% premium fiber, Swiss lace, extremely deep part. So I saw this. I was going through YouTube, and I think I might have put in cheap wig or something of that sort because I was not wanting to spend a whole arm and a leg on a wig. I was just looking for something that I could throw on for Thanksgiving or what is and what not. And I saw this girl try on this wig, you guys, and I fell in love with the wig. I don't know, how it's gonna look on my hair. I don't know, but we're gonna give it a try, and we gonna see what I can come up with. Okay. All right. So, of course, the wig comes with like a net on it, as you guys can see. Yeah, this wig is long, you guys. Look at it. Oh, wow. This is the part, you guys. I say it was a deep part. It is a fairly deep part. I am I'm an amateur to wig, so I'm not going to pluck and all that stuff. I plan on wearing this with a headband. So, yeah. Let's go on in the bathroom and figure out what I can do with this wig. Okay? Alright, guys, so now that we're in the bathroom, I have this wig on here. You thought this was my hair, didn't you? Not just kidding. But I have this wig on here. If you want to know the deets on this wig, this is my first ever wig that I bought. I bought this wig maybe 3 years ago, and it still looks good. Okay? But if you want the deets on this wig, leave me a comment below, and I will probably make a video on it. But, yeah. So we're going to take this off. I'm going to be looking a little ratchet for a little minute, and then we're going to put on the new wig, okay? And see what we can do with it. Sounds like a plan to me. What about you? Okay, guys. So this is the wig. How did my blending go? How did I do it? My headband? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. So yeah, I like this wig. You guys, I like this wig, and I think I paid. It was either $25 to $30 for this wig. Nothing compared to what you normally spend on a wig. So yeah. Anywho, if you have not done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? Okay! Give me a big thumbs up, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, you guys. Leave me a comment below. What do you think of this wig? Let me know in the comments below. Also, share this video out, you guys. Sharing is caring. And until next time, I'll holler at you guys later. Peace out.